and I want to find Qwen 3.7 Max, right? So this is one of the models that you can use for coding, right? They have like 1.25 pricing for input, 3.75 per 1M, and it is released in May, yet it was not free on Open Router. So I decided to check if there are any other places where I can check this. So let me open CommandCode, which add this. So let's say if I choose to create a skill, so I will create this folder here, and I will try and open CommandCode here, right? So if we open terminal, let's give it a name, skills, and in my this folder I will use command, right? So I want to switch to the model which is Qwen 3.7 Max. Currently this is free in CommandCode, so I'll be able to use that, right? So here you can see all the models that we can try out, right? Minimax M3 is free, then you have Kimi K2.7 code, and then there are others. GLM 5.2 is also there, then Minimax, then Minimax M3 2.7, 2.5, and so on. There is also Qwen 3.6 Max, 3.7 Max, right? So let's say I want to use this particular model to create a skill based on the Expo and React Native best practices, right? So we will give it this particular GitHub gist, right? And we will say create a skill based on the Expo and React Native best practices, and I wish to store the contents of this skill in the current folder instead of global usage, right? I want you to read the GitHub gist and build a skill that can be used across agent agnostic tools, and let's say CLI for building the Expo RN apps effectively, right? Use this gist for reference, right? So we are giving it what it needs for building the skill, right? So this is the document. You can also copy like this, copy link and paste it here, right, and hit enter. So now it will start working, and it's not a big deal or like big query we are making, but it would consume like $1 or so worth of our credits, probably more, considering this is a decent document, but we want to convert this into a skill so that we don't have to manually go through all these references, right? So this is what they offer in CommandCode. Let's see how it does, right? I don't want to turn this into a global skill, so it should have the skill stored locally like this. And you can see it has created a skill.md which can be accessed from here. You can see the directory is also created and skill.md is also created. So this is very simple project that I have given, and it finished pretty fast, right? You can see it has done very quickly, went through all the document and also converted into our skill. So like this, you can see Qwen 3.7 Max is pretty decent model for doing your big complex or small jobs. I think in order to create those small tools and even skills for your agent, it can get that done pretty quickly. So to try out Qwen 3.6 code Max, right? So there are also other models within CommandCode, and if you wish to check them out, you can always check. Here you can see Qwen 3.7 plus, Max, Step, Nemotron, then Anthropix models, OpenAI, Gemini, and then you go to open-weight models. It starts from Minimax being free, and then there is also Kimiki 2.7 code and so on. So currently we tested Qwen 3.7 and to the max, and it is pretty decent model to use for getting your project done in one shot, right? So try this one.